Stop by and take a look at the 2020 RX. The Lexus RX offers a spacious interior with an extremely high level of quality. The RX is the perfect fit for those looking for fuel efficiency, a wide variety of safety and technology features, and that luxury feel. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, daytime running lights, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, privacy glass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.